Amazing IQ option strategy here, trading on 1-minute Blitz using the IQ Pulse Detector script. When the yellow line crosses the middle line, there's a probability that the trend will go down for 1 minute. Before the cross, the yellow line should be at a higher point or near the resistance level to increase the chance of a downward trend. We will wait for the trade to finish. There are many ways to trade using the IQ Pulse Detector, like combining it with other indicators, using oscillators, reversal pattern, and others. The trend went down, and we secured a winning trade on that trade. For now, the trend has pulled back near the support level and has crossed the middle white line. Let's take a buy position based on this. As for this strategy, make sure to have 5 seconds candle time frame, with the IQ Pulse Detector period must set into 20. And got our trading results. Let's trade in another spot. As we can see, the trend might go up because it has already crossed the middle line, but the yellow line isn't spread out. This means the trend may not go up. Still, we'll try to trade higher, hoping the price will rise. The trend is going down, resulting in a losing trade. In this downtrend, the price crosses our middle line, but the yellow line does not show a strong downward push. We'll try to trade with it. Fortunately, the trend continues downward, and we secure a winning trade. See the rest of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe with us to get latest trading strategies with IQ Option and other trading brokers. We will make more free trading strategies in the future. We have another instance with our strategy. We can also trade when the yellow line extends its trend, reaching its highest resistance level. For now, we'll wait for the right setup or a reversal pattern. Let's go trade sell here and hope for a win. It's a 50-50 situation, and we got a win on that trade.